Dumb biscuits. So it's 21st today, nearly Christmas. So I'm just out for a little overnighter with the dog, with where is he? There he is, Mr. Preston. So yeah, just having a chat with Glenn, who's Woods O Wisdom, at his little permission. So just before it gets dark, thought I'd stretch the dog's legs so we don't wiggle in the hammock too much later, because he's bound to. He's a fidget bum. But I'm just so pleased with how he reacts to being in the woods. He absolutely loves it. Really just mooches around. He never strays too far. Really well behaved, and his temperament is awesome. Preston, got some treats. See, he knows where his bread's buttered. So yeah, not that cold at the moment. Might drop a bit tonight, but I don't think it's going to get lower than about 5 degrees. Walk down and see the river. Come please. So yeah, 4,000 subscribers. I had a mentally busy November, December. I was hoping to get some stuff out there, but just as bloody busy sorting out for Christmas and stuff. Oh look. So yeah, this is like the first overnighter I've had. First real chance to get out, other than just boring dog walks. Preston, Preston, come here. Go down there. Don't be an idiot. We're about to have a learning curve. Is that nice water? Or is it mucky? Yeah, so yeah, over 4,000 subscribers. I did a video when I was in Tenerife, and to be honest, it was crap. So some nice views and stuff, but just seemed to be a waste of time just to edit it, between me prattling on about a load of plants that I didn't have a bloody clue what they were. So I didn't bother editing it. Oh, leave comments in the end. I've still got it, so leave a comment below if you want me to edit into a video, but it'll mostly be silent with a bit of music probably. We'll see. So all of this wood soon is going to get completely coppiced. So if we look, you can see that big pile of logs there. So that's where that half of the wood's been done, over there. And then we're going to get that bit got did a couple of years ago, and all is going very soon. So if we don't have a very wet spring, I reckon all this will be gone, which is a real shame, because it's a pretty cool woodland. But you know, it's grown to be a fuel. It's here specifically to be grown as a crop for firewood. Not that I think the nuts are that nuts. What? Not that chestnuts are that. The chestnut wood is that great at burning. Yes, it's a hardwood, but it just doesn't burn that well. So we will see. Anyway, TW Sargasso tarp, because that's the one that closes at the ends. Yeah, so you've got the Velcro down there and a bit of a popper. Yeah, so it all sort of seals up. And then I've tied that and put a peg in the ground there, and then done 2 pegs out to the side. Just trying what the setup's like. Got whoopee slings and tree huggers with a carabiner. So we hop inside if we can see anything. So there's also a TW hammock, and in the hammock I've got what is it? Military Arctic sleeping bag, and underneath is the snug pack underquilt. So yeah, so this makes a nice little envelope, tries to keep the heat in a little bit. Hopefully now the wind's died down it'll be quite good. So there you go.
While I'm here, I'm filling in a Swedish candle that you see that I made, and what we're doing here, we're adding a base in for the candle. So we're going to put like a fire base like we'd be making for any other fire, so we keep the nice hot embers inside, which will start on burning through into the candle and giving it a good combustion. Sometimes, can't they?
Yeah, they can be.
So I thought we'd go with a birch bark, get it on top, and that should, with all the oils in them, go up quite well, I'm hoping. Cool.
I got it?
Yep.
Wicked. So what's in here?
So we've got birch, we've got larch as well, birch bark, birch twigs and larch in there.
Yeah, so the larch is the pine, which is quite sappy.
Yeah, it's a conifer.
Yeah.
And it's got lots of high volatile oils in them and burns at a great heat. We've got it all catching around the sides now.
Oops. That should work fine. So as this burns from the top, it will drop down into it and get the fire log going.
those bubbles suddenly start to come up. Age of 50 was continuous and really pushing out his learning, just proving to the fact you're never too old to learn stuff. Doesn't matter what you come from and do.